Welcome to episode 4. This one's focusing on acceleration. This first clip was from June or July, and the next one is from basically last week. The camera shot's not as good, you can't see my clutch hand, but you get the gist when we get into it after the intro. So, about a month ago, I was still trying to get out of first gear pretty quickly. It didn't seem like I was supposed to stay in it too long, which means my takeoffs were pretty slow overall because I'm busy upshifting instead of just accelerating. So now I try to take off in first, and then once I'm away from people, start switching gears. This is a month ago getting on the highway. I was still newer to getting on the highway, so obviously it made me anxious. It's not bad, but I would stay in the slower lane so I can be more cautious, I guess. Although I got into the middle lane. This is a different merge because there is construction, but take off a lot faster. I think I'm in third for most of this until the end when I switch into fourth. So yeah, so now I'm just focusing on not necessarily staying in lower gears, but accelerating faster in them before shifting up. And here's another more recent one. I look at the car that's being driven by someone who's not paying attention, and then accelerate. There always seems to be a white vehicle when I'm merging onto the highway, which is funny. Yeah, so from another angle you can see I've given myself a good space cushion, nice, easy, whatever. But I'm staying in third to get to 40 before I want to shift to fourth gear. And this was July. And now more recent. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I think you can. I stay in third, accelerating a good amount before I switch up to fourth. It does make a difference. You do take off a lot faster when you crank it in a lower gear than you do in a higher gear. And again, give myself that space cushion so that I can blast off, essentially. I'm sure this is also third gear. And yeah, now just for fun, I've been exploring the different highways around, well, I guess not even near my house, but they're fun and a little challenging sometimes to practice counter-steering because, you know, there's full traffic on the road, so it's a little bit more dangerous, I suppose. No goofing off. But yeah, you see, I'm in third all the way into 50s before I need to change to fourth. It makes it a lot easier to match the speed of those on the highway before settling in. I'm not going to talk through the rest of this. It's just fun cruising time. Thanks for watching this motovlog, and hopefully if you're a newer motorcyclist, you understand the importance of staying in lower gears as you accelerate, so you can accelerate quicker and then shift. If this was helpful, give it a like, maybe subscribe. There will be more of these. Okay, thank you.